madness. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back. This is Xavier, and today we're gonna be watching John Wick Chapter 3, Parabellum. Alright, so last time we left off, John was given a marker by Santino, and he killed Santino's target, requested target, which was his sister, Santino's sister, to get the seat at the high table. John did that, and then Santino betrayed him, tried to kill him, didn't work, but a hit out on him, and then John killed Santino, but it was at the Continental, so now he's been declared excommunicado. And also, John did have a little thing there fighting Common, whose character name was Cassian. He was the bodyguard of Santino's sister, and John stabbed him in his aorta and gave him a choice: either come after me or try and seek help. Either way, one choice gets you to live, coming after me gets you to die. Alright, so let's just move into this. The description says John Wick is declared excommunicado, and a hefty bounty is set on him after he murders an international crime lord. Oh, I'm thinking that means Santino there. He sets out to seek help to save himself from ruthless hitmen and bounty hunters. Okay, so this came out in 2019. It's the same director as the previous film, same cinematographer Dan Lawson, director Chad Stahelski. Let's take what's in the cast. I see here Halle Berry, Laurence Fishburne is back. I see here Dacascos as Zero. He was the, what's it called again? There's something there upon Iron Chef. I don't remember his name, Charon, something like that. Let me see who else is in the cast.
Now, in the words of my uncle,
and Ian McShane is back. I guess I'll just figure out who else is there once I'm watching. Alright, so don't think much more needs to be said. Alright, the first one came out in 2014. The first sequel came out in 2017. This came out in 2019. So, and then we have Chapter 3 out here in 2023. I see that it was filmed in 2021 based on we saw some set photos of what's his name again, Keanu Reeves, but I don't know if the pandemic and everything. Maybe I'm pretty sure. You know what? I don't know. So let me just get up. Let's move on. Let's get into it. Sir, I'm just vibing to the music. It's, yeah.
John Wick, excommunicado, in effect 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Sorry, but the music was hitting. I love that score. It was vibing for real.
Do you expect him to make it out?
$14 million bounty on his head. Every interested party in the city wants a piece of it. I'd say the odds are about even.
Even is right. Because he's against a lot, but he's John Wick, so he can handle himself.
I know better, man. I know better. I know what I'm...
Hey, I know him. He's
No time to dilly-dally, Mr. Wick.
Yo, how deep is this high table thing?
Can you see that he's received by the concierge?
Yes, sir, Mr. Wick.
Good dog.
Yo, I just picked that up. He knew that it was This thing is so wide, so deep. Is that gun in there? Nope, no gun. Just I don't know why the rosary. Another mark. Is that a marker?
Looking a little run down there, John.
Ernest, I still have time.
It's almost up. Who's gonna know the difference?
Oh. Wow. That was brutal.
Mr. Wick, no, you shouldn't be here. I was almost up.
Doc, please, there's still time.
No, I can't. I still have 5 minutes. Please.
Thank you, Doc. You better hurry. You don't want to be caught with him there. I'm pretty sure of that.
John Wick, excommunicado, in effect in 5, 4,
A countdown.
2.
1.
He's out. Gotta do it himself. Okay. Desperation. Desperate times.
Where?
Here, just below my floating rib. Be sure not to hit my...
What the? Oh, bro, my.
Be sure not to graze my car.
This is so wild. Madness. Better hurry, John. They have a lot of time. Oh, good timing. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. You. Oh. Stop his own person. Oh. No, not the eye. I can't see. Wow. Wow, that was so good. Thank you, John, for thinking of the dog. It's a Raz kick, that's enough. Is that no? That's not either Rasa kick. Instant death. That. Dead. Dead. Oh. These deaths are brutal. But that's what I get for messing with him. He's riding a horse. Being chased by bikes. Ooh. Yes, where is he going? Where is he gonna get help?
I still have my ticket.
After all the chaos you've caused for the last few weeks, you think your ticket is valid?
Yes.
Rus Garoma is bound by the high table, and the high table stands above all. You honor me by bringing death to my front door.
Yes, he does. She has a similar tattoo to him.
You know, when my pupils first come here, they wish for one thing: a life free of suffering. I try to dissuade them from these childish notions, but as you know, art is pain. Somehow you managed to get out. But here you are, back where you began. All of this for what? Is a Sipachki? How can you fight the wind? How can you smash the mountains? How can you bury the ocean? How can you escape from the light? Of course, you can go to the dark, but they're in the dark too.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they are. Are they gonna something they're in win again? Yeah, I figured that they're gonna do the sticky thing on him. I don't remember the name of the word. Mark. They're gonna mark him.
With this, Chardani, your ticket is torn.
Okay, this person is the adjudicator based on what I saw on the cast listing. I don't know what that means.
Continental, how may I help you? As a matter of fact, the body gets colder within these very walls.
I'd like to see it.
Okay, this makes sense that they'd have a room for holding bodies in case some blood does get spilled on continental grounds.
Yes. You have 7 days. In the meantime, if you need any assistance with your transition, you may look for me in room 217.
Enjoy your stay at the Continental.
Harsh. It was in the back of my mind thinking Winston might be in a little bit of trouble.
Here to see you.
What did he do? I don't see why he did anything wrong.
You see rats with wings, but I see the internet. No IP addresses. No digital footprint. Can't track it. Can't hack it. Can't trace it.
Can you get disease from it?
Well, I wouldn't recommend that you eat it.
And yet you gave John a 7-round Kimber 1911, knowing that he intended to use it to stand against the table, yes?
This Kimber 1911, to be exact.
Alright, he did do that.
No, there will be no replacement for me on the throne, because I am the throne, baby. I am the Bowery! I am all that you deign not to look at when you walk down the street at night. The Bowery is mine. Mine alone.
Do not make the mistake of thinking you exist outside the rules. No men do. You have 7 days.
Damn. The hammer is coming down. I'm pretty sure he stands out here. He can't really exactly hide. See? Same thing. He stands out.
I'm afraid our friend here is off limits.
But he's excommunicado.
It seems the manager has granted him amnesty.
Is this another continental hotel? Or is it a different type of hotel?
Hi, welcome to the Moroccan Continental. I hope you find it to your taste.
Oh, okay, this is the hotel. I was wondering, like, that seedy back street. That did not seem like a good hotel. But okay. This is a hotel now.
Sofia, you can't kill the bearer of your marker.
I didn't kill you. I just shot you. Should shoot you in the head right now.
I know.
Oh, she's the one who has this marker. Okay.
When you needed help, I was there.
Sit. I was talking to you, John.
I figured, not the dogs.
Because I don't trust that I won't go find her. A part of me longs for her. And I have to kill that part of myself every day just to keep her safe. Because sometimes you have to kill what you love.
Damn.
Marker in first place. That's why I'm sitting here right now, and that's why I'm fucked.
Yes, you are. Pretty much. Is this the adjudicator going to see the doctor? Oh no. She's seen this guy. It is Berrada. I think that's the name I saw him with in the cast list. Oh, this is him coming in there, efficient.
Your penance will be paid in blood. Now, hold out your helping hands and pledge your fealty.
Are they gonna cut off her hands? Well, that's better than them cutting it off, to be honest.
Let's go.
The adjudicator does not mess around. She's about our business. Oh, he's making coins for them? He's one of the coin makers?
Wait, you know where the word assassin comes from?
Cause I know in the last movie there was an old guy who made coins too.
The first coin ever minted in this facility. Next to it, the first mark. Not easy to track down, believe me. Now this coin, of course, it does not represent a monetary value. It represents the commerce of relationships. A social contract in which you agree to partake. Order and rules. You are broken the rules. The high table has marked you for death. Why would I allow you to leave here alive when your life has been, by your own actions, forfeit?
Yes. Why would he do that? Give us a good reason, John.
I seek to make amends. To pay for what I've done. I seek a meeting with the one who sits above the table.
You have received a great gift. I have hosted your friend. What do you offer in return? So soft, and yet so fierce. Surely it's the least you can do.
No, you cannot keep my dog.
And I will kill it.
Yarami! Nothing! Nothing!
I'm sorry, Sofia. This was for you to learn.
Don't do it, Sofia. Don't do it.
Sofia, don't.
Ugh. Oh, oh, close. Close call. Damn. You guys lost out. Ew, okay. Hey man, at this point,
Sofia.
every likamiko. I'm assuming in he's carrying it in case, in the hope he finds like an oasis or something like that. Damn.
You have earned my fealty. Matter of fact, I'm gonna shove so much fealty up your ass it's gonna come spilling out of your mouth.
You had your chance.
Well, since you see it that way, I guess it's time I told you to climb down off your high table and go fuck yourself.
Like 7 bullets. Your penance will be paid with 7 cuts.
Long live the king.
Rough.
The first of which would be the man they called Winston. What? He has forgotten his fealty. neither the open contract nor the excommunicado will be lifted until you complete your task. So if you wish to live, and if you wish to remember, this is the choice you must make.
Wow. What a choice. Oh man. What am I supposed to say to that?
Stick together, kids. Make sure you're holding the hand of the person in front and
How timely.
With you? It was. Nice trick.
Yes, a very nice trick. Ooh, that was so cool. Dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty.
Sir, put your weapon down.
Yo, bro, you gotta sit right beside him. Come on.
I gotta tell you, I've been looking forward to meeting you for a long time. I'm a huge fan. John Wick. And so far you haven't disappointed. Is that the dog? He likes you.
Killed me in the Continental. Maybe I should have. Rules and consequences. Seems like everyone is suffering from the consequences of their actions.
Yes, they are.
you decided to step down.
I think not.
And you? Will you be putting a bullet in his head?
No, I don't think I will.
The New York Continental Hotel has been deconsecrated. Goodbye.
Gentlemen, this institution is now deconsecrated. Business may now be conducted on continental ground.
Under the circumstances, your privileges are reinstated immediately. What do you need?
Guns. Lots of guns.
Of course he does.
125 grain, 1425 feet per second. Serious business.
Thank you.
Let us begin.
So it looks like they do have regular customers along with assassins. That's what I'm gathering from those people leaving. Oh, she's still at the hotel. Okay, thought she would have left. Fair enough.
You'll do the Continental proud. I'll see you soon, sir. And you, Jonathan, do what you do best.
What's that?
Hunt.
I love how you said that. Hunt.
See this pack in. Have a
Okay. Hence the name of the movie. Damn, they've got very good armor. Oh, jeez, you gotta kill these guys. You got not to kill, you gotta shoot these guys inordinate number of times to get them down.
Armor improvements. 12-gauge steel slugs. Armor piercing.
He's so he's so at ease. Love it. Ugh. I think you killed him, John. Oh. Woo. That's cool. Yeah. He's dead.
Only by my sword, John.
Okay. Kind of arrogant there. Cool.
I know you believe you can keep this up, but I assure you.
Like all of them gonna be broken? Dead.
Senang bertemu Anda, Mr. Wick. Lambat dia sekarang.
Harusnya dia sudah pensiun 5 tahun lalu.
Tapi tetap saja, John Wick.
Ya.
Kita lihat saja.
Oh, with a belt. Okay, cool. Look, he's beating him with a trap. Ugh. Ugh. Extremely painful, that. That's so cool. So cool.
If I didn't have to kill you, we'd be pals.
Let's do this.
He's been a good antagonist. He's been good. I'm not gonna lie. He loves doing that move where he just moves his hand and BAM! Knock down the knife. Or sword.
Hey, John. That was a pretty good fight, huh?
Yeah, it was a pretty good fight.
Yeah. I'll catch up to you, John.
No, you won't.
He's right. He will not. See that?
We're merely showing strength, so we would let you keep the Continental. The High Table accepts your fealty.
Oh, he has to die. Sorry, Jonathan. Don't see any other way.
Well played, sir.
Oh, he survived.
Oh, shit. They took a finger. Ain't that a bitch?
Ask you, John. How do you feel? 'Cause I am really pissed off. You pissed, John? Are you? Yeah.
Alright, so that was John Wick Chapter 3, Parabellum. It was amazing. It was so good. Yeah, I think this was better. I think this was the best one. Action and the story beats. Yeah, they were definitely better than the previous two. I don't know how to explain it. I know I should explain it. I know I'm at a loss for words. Start off with John, where he's on the run. He meets up with the doctor. First he goes to the library, and before that he sends his dog to the Continental. He goes to the library, he gets the rosary, there's a picture, but he puts back the picture, which I was saying, yeah, keep the picture there, you might have to go back for it. On the picture, the rosary, like I was saying, a marker, I was wondering if it was a marker, but it was a marker. Rosary, the marker, and something else? Oh, coins, yeah, there were some coins in there. Right, so what he does is fights a furnace, kills him brutally, takes it to the doctor, gets healed up, and then he's going through New York, fighting off hitmen on a horse, kills them using knives, using the horse, using all manner of things to kill people. He makes his way to this theater, and we find out that he grew up in some kind of like orphanage type thing with this it sounds like Belarusian type lineage, Jardani Jovanovic. That was his given name. I don't know how then he's now John Wick. I don't know. Beats me. So maybe that will explain in the future. Maybe not. Maybe just like something that is to never be explained. Okay, but then so he gets a ticket, punches his ticket, gets branded. That's what I was trying to remember. In direction, he gets branded, mixes with Casablanca, meets Halle Berry. She's the manager of the Continental in Casablanca, and she is the one who he hands the marker to because he needs her assistance. So it turns out that John had hidden her daughter away. We don't know why. It's not explained. But for some reason, he hid her daughter away, and she has no dogs. They make their way to this minting place where it used to be, where the former manager of that hotel is now there. And they make coins and they make markers. I'm assuming for that section of the world, because you can't have just like your markers and stuff and coins being made in one place. You know, that's smart to like divest it, spread it around, and also because that's where the elder is in that area. So who is above the table? I don't know why or how, but somehow he's above the table. So Halle Berry, what's your name? Sofia, Halle Berry's character, and John, they fight their way out, and John is in the desert struggling, and he makes his way to see the elder. He cuts off his finger, pledges his fealty to the table, and he has to kill Winston. And so he makes his way to Winston at the Continental after having this motorcycle chase, and he touches the Continental grounds, and that saves him because even though it's excommunicated, you do not want blood spilled on Continental grounds. It's still a rule. So he's safe for now, but he can't stay. Because he has to see the manager. Because if he didn't have to see the manager, I'm sure he would have been, hey, no fighting here, but you gotta leave, you can't stay. Right, so sees Winston. Winston talks him into not killing him. Winston talks John into not killing Winston. And so the Continental gets deconsecrated. And that means Zero, who is Mark's character, and High Table's agents, they have this firefight, and everything's people dying. There's this really cool scene in the administrative lounge between John and Zero and the students, and it's wonderful. And John, Winston, and Adjudicator are the parley. Winston gets back his position, and Winston shoots John. He falls off the building, and the movie ends with John still being alive, and Laurence Fishburne's character, the Bowery King, he is angry, and he enlists John, and they're going to war against the table. And so I'm assuming that we're gonna see in John Wick 4, it's gonna be like a collection of people against the table. Like people who have been wronged, people who have been hurt by the table. Like John's former mentor, that lady who was the proprietor of the theater where he had the rosary. I'm assuming she's gonna be one of the people. Bowery King is gonna be one of the people. Maybe Sofia. I don't know. I haven't looked up the cast list for John Wick 4. It's out now, but I haven't watched it, obviously, since I'm just watching this. But yeah, what can I say? It's really good as world building. This was a really good world building effort. A really good story, because we had the people suffering consequences, actions having consequences, following on from the last movie with John with the marker. The marker affects Sofia here, and then the people who had helped out John, which is the Bowery King, Winston, suffering consequences. Sofia, her dog got shot. Luckily, the dog is still alive. Who else? The doctor had to get John to shoot him to be safe, because even though the doctor stopped helping John because John finished healing himself and he let him get the medicine, you gotta like show some kind of like a struggle or something like that, so the doctor will be safe. Zero, he is a servant of the table, and yeah, so he would have been. So what John was when he cut off his finger and he pledged fealty, that's what John was going to be. He was going to become something like Zero, who was a servant at the table, and that didn't happen. But this is a good world building, because we see like a deeper impact of everything. We know that they have an outpost in Morocco. We know that they have an outpost in Rome. We know they have one in New York, and I'm sure maybe next John Wick 4 we're gonna see different places where they have hotels and everything. And even somebody like Laurence Fishburne's character, even though he's not fully really affiliated with the table, he he kind of does his own thing, but because he partakes and he accepts the coins, and the coin, I'm sure he gives the coins, he's really part of the system, and so the judgments of the table affect him too. And so, and then even like I don't know what word the Russell Carp or something like that, I don't know, Russell Carp, you'll see, that affects them too, because even though John had the ticket thing and she is bound to help him, she's going against the table, but she has to do it because she's in these different groups. They're under the table, but they have their own obligations and duties and stuff. And so some in this situation is in conflict with it. Just like Sofia the marker, she's bound by the marker, but it's in conflict with the excommunication of John. You see, it's a bit of a mess. You see me, and it's just showing us that how tangled this system is, and how it's also showing us how deep it is, because there's so many assassins all about, and you could be killed at the drop of a hat. You have to be on your aware of what's going on. You have to be extremely gifted and talented like John to survive. Cause wow, it's wild. It's a powerful system, powerful organization, and to go against it, you're gonna need a lot of people, meaning a lot of aggrieved people, and you just gotta like trust them and incorporate them in these things. And it's gonna, I'm sure, I've heard very good reviews of 24. I haven't been listening to them. I just heard, oh, he's so good, he had to see it and all that. So luckily I've avoided spoilers. Apparently somebody dies, I don't know who, but lots of people die, so I'm not gonna be surprised whoever dies in there. So it's just like the previous two. Amazing cinematography. This time there weren't as many stylistic shots and angles and stuff like that was like I saw in the previous ones. It was more like tricks with like disappearing with people walking past and stuff like that, and little various angles and stuff, but nothing like I saw with the water. I was thinking over like John with the flames and stuff like that. Nothing like that really happened in this. So I took a step back from it, but the action was ratcheted up. It's more consistent throughout. It's more fast paced, much more even paced. The previous ones had a bit more slow moments. This one was just bam, 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 hitting you all throughout. It was like a dull periods of calm, but it was like punctuated with a little moment here, little hit there. So it was that it was more rhythmic, as opposed to the previous movies where it was kind of they had more, the lulls were not lulls, the non-action pieces were a bit more calm. In this, the non-action pieces where the action set pieces, the choreography and the gunfights and all, and the fisticuffs and everything. You had like the theater lady being stabbed, or you had Sofia, Halle Berry's character, shooting at John. And just those little moments to punctuate this action. To punctuate those little slow moments. So that was an interesting change that I noticed. And I think this story is more complex because it's more delving deeper into the world building and all that. It wasn't, I'd say, we've seen the people have consequences, their stakes were higher. So I wouldn't say it was a better story, it was just different. Because you had stakes, more higher stakes in this, because people are suffering consequences, and it's drawn against like basically the whole world and all that. So really good, really engrossing. I really liked it. This has been the best one so far, I like to say. I think I rated the first one like 8, and I said the second one was like 8, 7.5, 8. This one was like 8.5. Yeah, so they're all around the same level. So I'm not gonna lie there. They're all around the same level, but the more you go on, the sequels are hitting, man. The sequels are hitting, and you're more invested in the characters. You've been along with them for the ride, and yeah, I'm really digging it. I can't wait to see 4. I might see it in theaters, or I might wait until it comes out. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, those are my thoughts, and goodbye.